Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to Math for Kids number
84.
84. Today we're going to look at a great little problem about adding up integers. You ready for the problem?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. The sum of the first 20 positive integers, i.e. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... all the way up to plus 19 plus 20, is 210. Okay?
Yes.
What is the sum of the next 20? So in other words, what is 21 plus 22 plus 23 plus ... all the way up to plus 39 plus 40? Okay, you understand the problem?
Yeah.
Do you have any thoughts on how you might want to approach this problem?
Not really.
Okay, great. Well,
We've done a lot of problems like this.
yeah, we have. We just haven't done a lot of problems like this in a while. So what do you think you'd like to do?
I don't think just adding them up would be... Well, that would give us the answer, but that would be hard.
Yeah, that'll take a little while. So see if you can find a clever way to approach a problem like this.
I see a clever way.
What's that?
Here, the numbers differ from by here to here by 20.
Oh, do they? Okay. So you mean if I write the numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 19 plus 20, and this equals 210,
Yes.
and I write the numbers 21 plus 22 plus 23 plus 39 plus 40, and I don't know what this equals, so what should I call it?
X.
X. Okay? The difference between this number and this number always is 20. Okay. Maybe that'll be useful to know. Okay? So that's great.
Well,
How can we use that?
we can do X minus 210.
Okay, so if we call this equation 1 and we call this equation 2, we could say equation 2 minus equation 1, which on this side over here is going to be x minus 210.
It's actually going to be 20 plus 20 plus 20.
20 plus 20 plus 20 plus ... plus 20. Okay, how many 20s are we going to have?
20 20s.
Okay, what is 20 20s?
That's 400.
How do you know?
20 squared.
It's 20 times 20. Okay, so this is 400 equals x minus 210. Okay?
Well, this means X equals 610.
X equals 610. Okay? Oh. Okay. So that was actually a really neat observation that you had, that the difference was always 20.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's pretty neat. Maybe we can talk a little bit more about how you do these kind of problems. Okay?
Integer problems.
All right. So that was a nice job. Let's see if we can figure out. Remember that the answer was 610. I'll write it up here. Okay. How do we add up the numbers 1 through 20? How can we figure out that this is 210? So I have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 19 plus 20. How do I add that up real quick?
I know what the numbers adding up to 10 are.
Well, you know what the numbers adding up to 10 are because you remembered it. But is there a way? Do you remember how to add them up quickly? What do? What's the trick? If this equals x.
You reverse it.
You reverse it. You write it as 20 plus 19 plus 18 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. And this also equals x.
So you add these together and you get
You add them
20,
together.
21s.
You get 21 plus 21 plus 21 plus 21 is 2x. So twice the sum is 20 21s. And what is 20 21s?
It's 20 times 21.
Yeah, it's 20 times 21.
That's 410. No, that's 220. No. Well, 21. Well, 20 times 20 is 400.
20 times 20 is 400. So what's 20 times 21?
It's 420.
It's 420. Very good. So 20 times 21 is 420, which equals 2x. So that's how we figure out that the sum of the first 20 integers is 210. Okay?
Yes.
Now we could use, if we wanted to, we could use the same trick over here, adding up 21 through 40. If we didn't notice the thing that you noticed, which was a really great thing to notice, we could write 21 plus 22 plus, why did I write 23? 23 plus 39 plus 40. We could say that equals x now. And now we can write these backwards. 40 plus 39 plus 38 plus 22 plus 21 also equals x, just writing it forwards and backwards. When I add these two things together, what do I
You
get?
get a bunch of 61.
I get 61 plus 61 plus 61 plus 61 plus 61 equals 2x. And how many 61s do I have?
You have 20 61s.
I have 20
What's
61s.
61 times 20?
Well, what is 61 times 20? 61 times 20.
You get 60 times 20. It's 1,200. It's 1,220.
1,220. Okay, very good. So I get 1,220 equals 2x. So x equals 1,220 divided by 2,
610.
which is 610. Okay, which is exactly what we got before by that trick that you discovered. Okay, how's that?
Awesome.
Pretty good? All right, good job, sweetie. That's actually a neat video about adding up some numbers. Good job.